up, my beauties? It's your girl Queen Ham back giving you all that glam. You already know the plan, okay? And today I am here with a unboxing / initial review of this Dare to Have Hair deep wave hair. So I didn't open it before I did. I mean, I opened it, but like I didn't look at the hair itself because I want my initial review to actually be an initial review. So me pulling this hair out and looking at it right now is the first time I'm looking at this hair. It just got delivered literally probably like 30 minutes ago. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna knock this video out today just because I've been waiting. And I just wanna make it very clear, this video is in no way sponsored by Dare to Have Hair. I paid, okay, sis paid with her own coins for this hair. So, you know, all my opinions are my own and nobody else's. I'm not getting paid to say anything about these people hair, okay? So we're just gonna go right into it, get right into it. So I ordered 3 bundles in a closure, and I believe I got 24, 26, and 28. I don't know if it says it on here. Let's see. Or it might say it on this thing. Let me see. I don't want to give y'all the wrong. Yes, so I got 24, 26, and 28. And then I got a closure in 20, I believe. 22. And this is Indian Love Curl here. These are the bundles. It's an Indian Love Curl, which is super curly. I was really excited to get this hair. I personally never bought it, but I do know a few people who had it, and so far so good in terms of like the reviews that I heard. So I wanted to try it, and hopefully it lives up to the expectations. The only thing that I would say that caught my attention immediately is that the curl pattern looks to be a little bit looser on the closure than on the bundles. But I'm gonna wash all this hair. As you know, when you wash the hair, the curl pattern changes a little bit. So I'm gonna wash this hair, and I'll probably wash it and come back on camera just to show y'all what it looks like at the end, because I have to wash them anyways. But the original curl pattern looks pretty good to me. I'm sure it'll loosen up a little bit when I wash it. It doesn't really have a smell, which is a really big thing to me because I really hate hair that has a smell. And that's really why I can't deal with AliExpress hair. I really try not to get it because I hate a smell. And it's really hard to get off. Like, you can get conditioner that will, I guess, try to mask it, but you can always smell it. And especially once you wear it for a while, you really still smell whatever it smells. So that's a good thing about this hair, is that it doesn't have a smell. Like I said, that's why I don't wear AliExpress hair. I do have one brand that I can tolerate, and I'll probably be doing a video on that because I'm due to do a 6-month review on that hair just because I've had it for that long. But like I said, I'm gonna wash these bundles and see, because that's really the only thing that initially caught my eye, is that the hair is a little bit more curly than this. So I'm interested to see how, once I wash it, how they'll blend together. It does still look like it would probably blend together pretty well, and the hair is really soft for deep wave hair, and I'm able to like run my fingers through it without super tangling, and it's really not shedding. I pulled a few strands, but like, I don't know if you guys can see that. I pulled a few strands out, but overall the hair is super soft. And for deep wave hair, for there not really to be any tangles, I think that is pretty good. But like I said, I'm gonna wash it and see how it turns out. The lace on this looks pretty good. Obviously it hasn't been plucked yet or anything like that. I'm actually gonna make this into a unit. So I don't do sew-ins, so I'm actually gonna make this into a wig, and you know, I'll keep y'all updated on how it turns out after I wear it for a little bit. And y'all, let me tell you, I actually wear my wigs. I know you guys watch a lot of reviews of people that put their hair in and they take it out a couple days later. But honey, I'm gonna wear this wig, okay? And plus, I'm going on a trip, so I'm probably gonna wear this wig majority, if not the entire time. And where I'm going is super humid and super hot, so I'm going to the south. So I'm gonna be wearing the hell out this wig. And I'll probably do like a video on how to, like, you know, achieve a really good curl pattern and what I do, you know, to revamp it every day. So like what conditioner and water and whatever my little routine will be for my deep wave hair. So I'll try to do that video for you guys once this gets made into a unit. And then we'll kind of go from there, I guess you can say. But like I said, I really like this hair upon initial review. Not at all biased, like I said, not sponsored. I do know people who have this hair, which is what originally made me want to try it. And I've heard nothing but good things about it. So hopefully it lives up to its name or to the reviews that I heard, and I feel the same about it. But I'm gonna go ahead and wash this and then get back to you guys and see how this curl pattern turns out once it's been washed. So I just did a quick little wash with these bundles. I did just like condition and rinse them. Obviously I'm gonna wash them more thoroughly before I get the wig made, but I decided to wash them just for the purpose of this video. And so these are the bundles once they've been washed. Super pretty curl pattern, super soft. I will say I was very, very, very impressed with the minimum amount of shedding when I was washing the hair and I was brushing through it. Super nice curl pattern. Smells really good still. Like I said, there wasn't really a smell to begin with, so that's cool. This is the closure. I will say that I'm more happy with how it looks now that it's wet. It is blending perfectly into this hair, so I'm excited to make a wig out of this. Yeah, I really like this hair. I'm super excited. It's really soft. Like I said, there was really a small amount of shedding when I washed it and I was brushing it, and that's very rare for deep wave hair. If anybody knows, deep wave hair is probably the hair that sheds and tangles the most, but the brush was running right through it. In fact, I'm about to grab the brush for you guys. Give me a second. Okay, so I just wanted to grab the brush to show you guys how nicely this was going through and how easy it was for me to brush this hair with the powder brush. It is going right through it. There's no hairs coming out, like literally nothing. So I would like to say that I am impressed with my initial review. We'll see how it holds up. But so far so good. Like I said, this video is not at all sponsored by them. They didn't pay me. I paid for this hair with my own coins. So yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with this hair initially. Hopefully it stands strong over the months or years. But like I'm showing you, brushing through it was really easy. It wasn't shedding, it wasn't tangling, and it has a really nice curl pattern. And like I said, the one thing that I was worried about was the closure versus the bundles and their different curl patterns. But when I washed it, everything is in unison. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this small little review. Like I said, I will keep you guys up to date, and once I get this made into a unit, I will show you guys my deep wave curly hair routine and how I get nice defined curls, and just how I wear it. So hopefully you guys like this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. And if you are already subscribed, thank you guys for tuning in again. I will catch you guys next time.